Did you eat?
Oh.
Good job.
Oh, happy tiny kitten.
Happy tiny kitten. Did you eat? Did you eat? Good job. Good job. You get pet now. Good little girl. Happy. What do you?
Such a happy kitten.
Oh, tiny.
Oh,
Too tiny.
So tiny.
What's with the paw? Can I touch your dot?
Ooh.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go.
Ooh.
Yep.
Congratulations, sweetie.
What's with the paw? Do it again. She's ew. Seriously?
That's the kitten button.
That's the kitten button right there. Can I press the kitten button? I did press the kitten button.
Congratulations.
Kitten
There's
button.
now a kitten.
Kitten button. Oh, you're
Kitten
right.
button.
Aurora. We call her 1-1 for anyone that doesn't know.
We do.
Oh, explain.
She's a little 1-1.
You explain.
Well, the first time she was seen, she was called 1-1 because she was the one when first saw online, and then right when we got there, she jumped on a little toy, and we knew she was the one then.
I want a hi 1-1.
Now she's 1-1.
I went hi 1-1. I saw her. I went hi 1-1. I'm gonna say happy little 1-1.
Happy little 1-1.
Aurora. I did. I went, oh, 1-1. As if it was just her name.
Yeah.
Yeah, did we see her online? That's a whole story as to why we went and got her.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That would be a wonderful story time.
You know he's eating her food, right?
I didn't think she left any.
He knows he shouldn't be. He's,
I'm eating these shoes, clearly. I'm not.
Yeah, okay.
I'm clearly just filthy.
I'm clearly just filthy. Hello, sweet baby. Hi, sweetie.
Happy big girl.
Happy big girl. Happy big girl.
What a happy dappy.
You get right here? Do I get right here? Do I?
Oh,
No.
is that nice?
She likes those.
Ooh.
She likes her.
Oh, she loves her chin. Oh.
Chin cat. Chin cat. Good job. Oh, he's eating. Where did she go?
I don't actually know.
She even has a bit of food left. Don't let him...
Oh, she's down here. She's down here.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
Hello, kitten. Hello, kitten.
The way she goes. You guys look at Mo.
Good boy. Happy good boy. Oh, you're sitting with your sister? Good boy. Happy good boy. Oh, we love when you use that top one there. Good boy. Happy good boy. Oh, Daisy, you love your brother. Good boy.
Happy good boy.
Happy
Good
boy.
job. Good job. Cute little eyes. Cute little eyes. So cute. This is so cute.
Oh, Scoopy boy.
I'll never be the same. No. You are so weird.
Happy dappy. Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at that big girl.
Ooh. What is that sound being made? It's her. I didn't do it.
Happy little kitten. Ooh.
Gross. No, you're just gross. Goodbye.